Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to use a multiplication table or a multiplication chart to help you with multiplication problems. So an example of a multiplication problem would be something like, what is 4 times 3? Okay, so when we're saying something times something, what we mean is we're going to be counting by that number this many times. So 4 times 3 is just like saying we're going to count by 4 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4, 4, and 4. So we can use our friend, the multiplication table, to count by 4s 3 times in order to figure out what 4 times 3 is. So I'm going to go from the side and I'm going to start at the number 4 and I'm going to now count 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. Now you could also go from the top. Here's my 4. I'm going to go down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Again, I land on 12. So 4, 8, 12. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Now, another way you could do this, which some people like to do, is you could take both of these numbers, these are called the factors, 4 and 3, and I could go across, I can highlight my 4s across, there's my 4s row across, and I can highlight my 3s down and see where they intersect or where they meet. And they meet right here at 12. So those are 3 different ways that you can use the multiplication chart to help you. Let's do one more example. Let's see. All right. Let's go ahead and do 6 times 5. So remember, when we're saying times, we're saying that we're going to count by 6s. Oops. We're going to count by 6s 5 times. So I'm going to find my 6s. I'm going to go from the side. I'm going to find my 6s row. There's my 6s. And I'm going to count 5 times across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6 times 5, or 6 5 times, equals 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. All right, so that is a little crash course on how to use a multiplication chart. I hope that this helps.